Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This one goes to General Salim Saleh, the commander of the Operations Wealth Creation, the man at the aim of the pacification of the northern part of the country, and the man who championed the return of peace in the northern part of the country. Sir, we appreciate your tremendous contribution in ensuring that peace returns in the northern part of the country. This one is to bring to your attention that the dealings that you're having with Ojara Martin Mapenduzi and Akol most definitely is based on a very scanty, a very fake intelligence report. So for a matter of fact, these two leaders have lost credibility in the northern part of the country. They cannot command even 300 people without bribing them. Kindly do an impartial research, do your investigation, you will agree with me. And whatever they are doing is called the last kick of a dying horse. They come to you, they be pretending that they are willing to work with the government. But let me tell you, sir, this is a survival mechanism. It's a survival instinct. Now it's because of the pressure that we are mounting on them due to lack of their credibility in handling matters of humanity. That is why they are taking refuge. They want to look for support. I would humbly request that the support that you are channeling, for instance, the seeds and the small financial facilitations to all delegates conference of the NRM should not be channeled through them, because they are using this window to come and lie to the people that it is their initiative, which is not true. And they're even giving these things only to the people who they think can vote for them. They are not giving it to everybody else. So where is the fairness? Afande, sir, I do believe you are a good listener. At least I've been privileged to interface with you not only once or twice. I am very optimistic on receiving this message. You shall possibly revisit your decision and we shall get back on track. If we are to get back on track, sir, I am very sure we are headed to a 90% victory for President Museveni come 2026. But without a fear of contradiction, allow me say the characters of the Mapenduzi and Akol, these are very cantankerous leaders, very cunning, and for lack of better words, we are dealing with facts. I can substantiate my claims because I have reliable and credible information regarding their operations. I am mentioning the names of Afande Kojo and our good friend Stephen, because I know they relate with you quite closely, and they will definitely bring this to your attention. Once again, we thank you for the good intentions you have for the Acholis, and we are exceptionally grateful. God bless you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This goes to General Salim Saleh, the man at the aim of the pacification of northern Uganda and the return of peace in the northern part of the country. I would like to bring to your attention that this time round, the decision you have taken to deal with the likes of Ojara Martin Mapenduzi and Akol Anthony, most definitely it is based on fake intelligence report. General, you can do your impartial investigation, send your teams on the ground. Ojara Martin Mapenduzi has lost all the credibility. Now, as I talk, he cannot mobilize 300 people in Badegela without funds. So by giving the seats, by giving the NRM mobilization grants or funds to come and hold meetings on behalf of the party, is going to be counterproductive to Muse. And yet, Gulu City and the entire Acholi sub-region was going to give Muse this time round not less than 80%. But this small mistake needs to be worked on so that we can get back on track. The good general, these people have lost credibility over the years. They are very ridiculous. They are very cunning. I can authoritatively tell you that they even stated clearly that you have spent close to almost 600 million on this matter of Operation Harmony that has been happening at Kachoke Madit. But go and investigate, use your structures. You'll realize that they have used even less than 200 million. So people are so disappointed. They feel that they are being betrayed, and yet they have given their all to support President Museveni. General, you did extremely well in the past election, and your tremendous contributions led to the voting of President Museveni in the entire Acholi sub-region. And we would like to build on that gains. Whatever I am saying, sir, I can substantiate it because I have credible information with regards to whatever is happening. I am by the names of Oriema Robinson Ogeri, incoming MP, Badegela Yibi. At least I have been privileged to interface with you not only once or twice, and I am very optimistic by you getting this information. Most definitely you're going to act, and these things of working through Mapenduzi and Akol will be brought to an end. We are going to an election, so if the seats are given to them, in one way or the other, it is disenfranchising other candidates. I would even request that at this material time, some of these benefits should be channeled through government structures. For instance, the cows, the town clerks, or any other government structure, but not a politician. Because for a matter of fact, they're even moving around and claiming they're the ones giving these seats. And yet we know this is Operation Wealth Creation Seats. Afande, sir, kindly listen to our plea and act on it. And in these regards, I am mentioning the names of Kano Kojo and Stephen, because I know they work closely with you. They should help forward this and they bring it to your attention as soon as possible so that you may revisit your decision and everything is brought back on track and we work together to deliver 90% to President Museveni. Thank you, sir.